Hello crafty friends, it's Mona here, and in this video I am going to show you my favorite way to make shaker cards, and I will tell you 3 tips which are essential in creating them. I hope you keep watching this video. But before I am going to stamp and color my images to the card, I picked various images from different Fun stamps like the Ready Set Snow, Screen Time, Holiday Helpers, Sewn in Love, and the new Fun set called You Are Just My Type. I picked the images and started the stamping with my mini Misty. I have used brown, Copic-friendly ink pad by scrapbook.com called Leather. If you want to see the used supplies in this video, feel free to check the list in the description box below. Next, I gave a quick heat set to my images. This will help prevent the ink leaking. When it was done, I fussy cut and die cut the images with the coordinating dies and adhered them to a purple tape by Thermoweb. Next, I started to create a wooden effect with brown Copic markers on the stamped snow globe image. I am just making stripes with warm toned markers and I overlaid a few times. For the coloring, I am using Nina Solar White cardstock. On the label I wanted to create a golden look, so I am starting with muted yellows, then I am adding more saturated colors and finally close the label with pastel yellow 00. For the other images I did simple coloring because they are teeny tiny. I have used rainbow colors and put more happiness to my card. When the coloring was done, I added white highlights with Signo Uniball white pen and let the images dry. Next I am creating the background and the shaker part. I run a white card front through my die cut machine with the Ready Set Snow Shaker add-on die by Fun. This will be my shaker window. Next I am running the same cardstock through the die cut machine, but this time with the Itsy Bitsy Polka dot backdrop die by Fun. This will give me a nice background behind the snow globe when I am adding rainbow cardstock. As I said, I am going to show you my favorite way to create shakers. For me, the simplest way is when the shaker part is built in the card background, so it is not extending out like on this card, which I made earlier. There are 3 important things which can make your life easier when you create a shaker card. The first one is to use high quality clear acetate. My favorite acetates are the clear Deco foil toner sheets. I love its size and that I can use them with my die cut and electronic die cut machines as well. Oh, and my absolute favorite thing is that I can heat emboss on them too. The second one is to pick the right adhesive. As you know, there are foam adhesives in different sizes and thicknesses. When you are going to put to the shaker part larger embellishment like sequins or beads, then you will need thicker adhesive like the 3D foam strips. These foam strips are 1/8 inch thick, so the larger embellishments will have enough room to move. When you are going to make your shaker window with glitter or other powdery medium, then it's totally enough to use thinner adhesives like the foam tape by Gina K Designs. And my third tip for today, make and keep your shaker window anti-static. That means put your powder on your acetate, adhesive, embellishment and even on the backing cardstock. This is very important because if you don't make them anti-static, then the embellishments can stuck everywhere inside the shaker part. During this process, place under your project a cardstock or a wood-based thing. This will also help you. I am sure many of you know these tips, but some of you may not, and I wanted to give you something special for your sweet comments. Once my shaker window was prepared, I removed the parchment paper from the adhesive and adhered it to the background, which I powdered too. Next, I created a cute craft room inspired card and I put the crafty girl on her right place, as well as the colored images. I adhered some of the images with foam squares by Gina K Designs, others with the thicker iCraft 3D foam squares. This gives a more unique look to my card. And this is my finished card. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. please give me a thumbs up and I will make a happy dance. Yay! If you have a little time, tell in your comment when was the last time when you made a shaker card. Have an amazing day. See you next time. Bye!